everyone, and welcome to Scuba Travel and Adventure. My name is Thomas. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. You can comment below, you can hit the like button, or on the bottom right corner you can hit the notification bell to get updated on future videos. This dive is located in the town of Waterton in Waterton National Park. This park is located in the southwest corner of Alberta, right across from Glacier National Park, USA. To get to the dive site, go to the burned down ranger station in the town of Waterton. This is near the entrance to town. Immediately across from the station, there's an entrance to Emerald Bay picnic area. Park in the picnic area, and this is it. The Gertrude was turn-of-century steam paddle wheeler, and it was purposefully scuttled in Emerald Bay in 1918, right behind the famous Prince of Wales Hotel. She lies with her stern facing the shore, and her bow is in the middle of the bay. The stern is in about 7 to 10 meters of water, and the bow is in about 18 meters of water. The exact location of the wreck changes year to year as winter ice moves the wreck. However, finding the ship is easy. Enter the water beside the water tap and swim directly away from the shore until you hit the drop-off. Turn right and follow the drop-off until you can see the wreck. The stern is the shallowest, but unfortunately the wheel is no longer present. As you move towards the bow, you'll encounter various machinery, including piston drive shafts and a big boiler. The bow is in about 50 feet and it's buried in a silt. The visibility at the stern is usually good 7 to 10 meters, but it drops off quickly towards the bow. At the bow, the visibility is usually about 60 centimeters or about 2 feet. Much of the wreck is disintegrated in many places. No planking is left. Little life is present aside from some fish which live beneath the wreck. Emerald Bay allows boats, so it's a good idea to carry a dive flag. Note also that this is a lake in the mountains. As such, altitude table or altitude comparable computer is required. The water can be extremely cold, particularly in early spring or late fall. Please protect the wreck as it's one of the only ones in the province. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.